Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 4. In that we'll see exercise 5.3. Simplify and write the answer in exponential form. So now this is 8, this is the base, and this one means you know the rule, that is a raised to m raised to n, means that is actually multiplication. So we write here, we multiply this into this, that will be a raised to mn. So this is going to be 2 sevens are 14. Again here the base will be the same, 3 into 100, which is going to be 300. This base the same, 25 sevens are 175. Base the same. So here will be minus 4 into minus 19. So both here will be minus 19. So both the places minus means minus multiplied by minus will be plus. So 19 fours are, that is going to be 76. So in this one we have minus 5 cube and this is 90. So here what we can do here, this actually is the even number. So we can write a minus 5 means we can write a minus 1 into 5. So we can, this will be minus 1 raised to 90 into 5 raised to, because if we write a minus 1 raised to 90, this one, and 5 raised to this, that is going to be 270. So what will be there? Minus 1 raised to 90, because this is an even number. So whenever you have even number means this will be always positive. So you have to forget about this one because that is just 1. So the answer should be 5 raised to 270. Now here this is minus 1 and this is a minus 11 raised to 4 and this is a odd number. So odd number means it is always going to be minus. So we'll just write here this same and this will be 100. You have to multiply it. Simplify the following and express the answer with a single exponent. So now you can see this base is different but the exponents are same. So a raised to m into b raised to m, that is going to be, you have to multiply the base, so that will be ab raised to m. So this is going to be 12 raised to 5. Again here the base are different and the exponents are same, so that is going to be 2a raised to 7. So this is going to be pq raised to 9. So here when you are writing, you have to put a bracket that says that, here also the same, you have to put a bracket which shows that 7 is for this number as well as this number, same here. So the bracket is important. Now here we can see again the base is different and the exponents are same, but that is a division sign. So we can write this one as 3 by 8 raised to 5. So that shows that 5 is for this as well as this one. So now what we can do here, again the division sign, these both are different and this is the same. So minus a divided by minus b. So minus divided by minus, that is going to be plus. So that is going to be ab and this is going to be raised to 6. Now you can see here, these exponents are same and these are the bases which are different. So 4p, we can also write this as 2p, 4p square, we can write as 2p whole bracket square, and for this one we can write as 3, sorry for this one, so this is going to be q here, and that will be square of it, means this square shows that this is for this as well as this one, because now see when I write here 2p square means that is 4p square. When I write here 3q and square means that will be 3 3s are 3 square means 9q square. So that is the same as this one. So now here you have to simplify minus 3 raised to 4 by 4 raised to 4. So this you are going to multiply 4 times. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. And these are 4 times means this is a even number, that is always going to be plus. So here again you are going to, because it is a multiplication, even if the numbers are same, you are going to multiply it. So that will be 256. Now this is a negative exponent, you are always going to make it a positive. So to make it a positive, you are going to flip this number. So that will be 5 by 2 and this becomes positive. So that means 5 raised to 2, 2 raised to 2, which will be 5 square will be 25 and 2 square is going to be 4. Again here the same, minus 5y raised to 3, and this will be 7x raised to 3. So this will be minus 5, that will be minus 125, and y cube, and this is going to be 343, and this is going to be x cube. Now here you have to evaluate 4 raised to minus 3. So this is a negative 1. So that is going to be 1 by 4 raised to 3. So that will be 1 by 4 raised to 3 is going to be 4 into 4 into 4, which is going to be 64. Again here you can see, because now this in the denominator is negative, so you will make it a positive 5 raised to 2, which is going to be 25. Again here, because the exponent is negative, so that will be 1 by minus 6 raised to 3. This becomes positive 1. So this one we can also write this one, 6 raised to 3 means 216. So whenever there is a minus in the denominator, we have to write it in the positive, because here is plus, here is minus. So plus divided by minus is going to be minus. So minus 1 by 216. Now this is a negative 1. So this is going to get flip over. So that will be 2 by 3 raised to 3. So 2 raised to 3 will be here. 3 raised to 3 will be here. So 2 raised to 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, which is going to be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3, which is going to be 27. So 8 by 27. Now again this is a negative 1. So this can be written as, because we will flip over, so this is going to be 1. So that will be 1 by minus 7. So which will be 1 by minus 7 square. That is going to be minus 7 into minus 7 will become positive. So it is going to be 49. So 1 by 49. Here they are said simplify minus 3x, and this is raised to 2. So what will be that? Minus 3 square, that is going to be 9, because minus 3 into minus 3. This is 2 times, so that is a even number, so that will be 9, and this is going to be x square. Again this and this one, so minus 4 raised to 3, and this will be y cube. So minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. So 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, and this 3 negative sign means that is going to be odd, so minus 64 y cube. Now you can see this is the positive exponent and this is the negative exponent. So 3x square whole bracket square, and this is a negative one, so that will go in the denominator, because this raised to 1 will be 1 by xy raised to 2. So this will be into 1 by xy raised to 2. So this will go in the denominator. So now what will you do? 3 square is going to be 9, and this is going to be x raised to 4. So 9 x raised to 4. Again for this one, x square divided by multiplied by y square. So x square y square. So now what you can do, because it is simplified, you can see this division means x raised to 4 minus 2, which is going to be x raised to 2. So what will you write here? 9x square will go in the numerator, and in the denominator is just y square. So this is the answer. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.